Welcome to our channel. Peacock's Watchlist feature helps you save content you want to watch later. Follow these steps to add shows and movies to your watchlist. Step 1. Open the Peacock app or visit peacocktv.com and sign in to your account. Step 2. Browse through Peacock's content library to find shows, movies, or sports events you want to save. Step 3. Click on the title to open its details page, which includes the description, cast, and episodes. Step 4. Look for the Add to Watchlist button, typically represented by a plus sign icon or bookmark icon. Step 5. Click the Watchlist button to add the content to your saved items. The icon should change to indicate it's been added. Step 6. Alternatively, hover over content thumbnails on the home screen and click the plus icon that appears to quickly add items. Step 7. Access your watchlist by clicking on My Stuff or the profile icon, then selecting Watchlist from the menu. Step 8. Browse your watchlist to see all saved content organized in one convenient location. Step 9. Click on any item in your watchlist to start watching immediately or view more details. Step 10. To remove items from your watchlist, click on the item and select Remove from Watchlist, or click the checkmark icon. Step 11. Your watchlist syncs across all devices, so items you add on one device will appear on all your other devices where you're signed in. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.